Lots of viewers on your site? Don't let this opportunity go to waste. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make extra income from your home. It is really not that difficult. What it takes is planning, time and hard work. Learn all that you can about the process. Here are some suggestions and ideas on how to promote your affiliate marketing business. If you are interested in affiliate marketing, the most basic thing that you can do is to start with choosing a topic that you know well. It's the easiest way for you to build a site. Also, it means that you can provide your own opinions easier on things, and you will enjoy it a lot better if it's something you're interested in. When joining an affiliate marketing program, make sure the company that makes the product you're promoting is legitimate. One way to tell the legitimacy of a company is by the terms of their return policy and how well they honor that policy. Being connected with a reputable company will boost your credibility. Being connected to a shady company will hurt it. If you are trying to make some extra money online and are thinking about doing affiliate marketing, you might want to pay someone else to set up a website for you. There are a variety of companies that guarantee a payout if you go through them to set up your affiliate advertising venture. You can up your productivity in affiliate marketing by simply clearing out the clutter from your mind and from your desk. Ensure that you're only focusing on affiliate marketing by making sure your desktop is free and clean, and also tidy up a bit in your immediate line of sight. Multiple studies show that a cluttered desk equals a cluttered mind. Do not fall for schemes from so-called experts in the field who want to sell you on their affiliate marketing products. Believe it or not, every single piece of information you need to know about marketing can be found free of charge from multiple places online. The only benefit of a purchased program is that it gives you the information without searching. To maximize the money you make from your affiliate marketing program, make sure that you present your information cleanly. You want to focus on the content and the advertising, not distracting your readers with other items to focus on. Ask yourself if you need each component and get rid of the ones that do not make you money. If a marketing aspect just is not working for your company, do not be afraid to cut it off. If no one on your mailing list likes receiving newsletters, and you have noticed that many people have unsubscribed, there is no reason to continue sending them out. Simply explain to the remaining subscribers that you will no longer be continuing the letter. You can be successful in affiliate marketing if you know the right ways to approach it. Remember the advice that you have learned here and apply them to your program. Keep learning about ways to improve. The more you learn about affiliate marketing, the better chance that you will become a successful affiliate marketer. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.